Happy New Year's, guys! This is my second video, and I think I'm gonna be trying to record more videos from now on, aside from my shorts. So I got this for Christmas and I wanted to do an unboxing. My sister was sweet enough to get this for me. I have been wanting one from Veeda. I got V4, which I thought would be closer to my skin tone based on the pictures, but it is deeper. So the V3, which is the one I wanted actually, it's sold out, and same with the True Tone. So I'm just gonna be keeping this one, and then maybe in the future I will get the V3. But let's go ahead and see what they got in here. The hand here comes in this suede bag, but we will do that last. We have this here. This is the practice hand primer. So this is only for the practice hand. You don't use it on yourself. Let's see, I think this one is the practice finger. Yes. So this is a practice finger. So this is V4. So as you can see, it is deeper than my skin tone, but that's okay. If you get the kit, you get this, the primer, and then you also get a pack of tape. This also came with some rings, which is so cool because then we're able to pose our hand and make it look pretty for pictures or for videos, stuff like that. And then we have nail tips here. These are coffin. Yeah, so these are coffin tips. You get a good amount. I'm not too sure how many come in here. And then that's about it in here. You just have, I think these are instructions. Yeah, so how to prep and take care of your hand and all that good stuff. I love that it comes in this little baggie. Okay, so this is the practice hand. Apparently this is an exact replica of V's hand, which is V Nailed It here on YouTube and social. So this is a V4, like I said. It's pretty much like the same size as my hand. This is the left hand, and this is the posable hand. So you can move the fingers however you need to. And you can also pose it for pictures and all that good stuff. It feels so crazy. It feels so weird, and it's so weird to just be holding. I've never had a replica hand before, or a practice hand. So I'm really excited. I feel like now I can really challenge myself and learn new skills like acrylic, maybe? I don't know, we'll see. So this is what comes in the kit. You can just buy the hand itself, but I decided to get the kit because why not? I will make another video where I will prep the hand, and then we'll see how comfortable I am about actually using it. So, all right guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.